This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terry Thornton. This mid-century brick home has been well maintained by its current owner for over 4 decades. With up to 4 bedrooms / 1.5 baths, the interchangeable floor plan could accommodate many needs. The foyer has large closet and is adjacent to formal living room with fireplace. Dining room could also serve as a great room. There are 2 bonus rooms that could host a multitude of spaces, including bedrooms, office, den, large laundry room, etc. The main bedroom has 2 closets. One is a walk-in and a private half bath. Wood floors are underneath most of the bedroom carpets. Wonderful outdoor space has covered front porch, brick patio, 2 outdoor buildings, fenced area and swing. Located in a quaint neighborhood in downtown Greensboro within walking distance of downtown Greensboro. This home is being sold as /is, where is no repairs. This home has been lovingly maintained. For more